Hey guys, it is me, Gaviota. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with another video. As you can see by the title, it is going to be a transformation video. So I'm going to start off by ironing my hair. Well, first I'm going to blow dry and then iron it. I already have like a video on basically how I iron my curly hair, so I will link it down below. But I'm just going to insert a few clips of me during the process of ironing my hair. But the main reason why I wanted to even do this transformation video is because I got a beanie the other day at Urban Outfitters. It's like light blue, as you can see, and I never wear beanies. This is the first beanie I've ever owned, and I feel like it's gonna give me a new look. So that's why I'm doing this transformation video. So I'm just gonna put the beanie on to see like how it looks. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how you really even wear a beanie. Is it like this? Like, no. I look ridiculous. I don't know how you put a beanie on. Is it like this? It looks like I have a wig on underneath this. Or is it like this? Maybe I should search up a video on like how to rock a beanie. Okay. Let's be serious. Before I finish my brows, I called my boyfriend for some help, and this is how he told me I should wear this beanie. I think it looks kind of good. But back to brows. This is where the real part of the transformation comes. I'm going to put some color contacts in because it's not a transformation if you don't change your eye color. Duh. I'm just going to put these TTDEYE Polar Lights Blue Gray in. Oh gosh. All done. Okay. Now I'm going to just conceal my eyes. Whenever I look at the viewfinder, I feel like a totally different person. Point of the transformation. I'm just gonna put some concealer on my eyes. And just blend that out. Now that I finished putting some concealer on my eyes, I'm just going to use this color from the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette to just define my crease. I just love using bronzers as crease colors because they just, it's like the perfect shade. Especially when you're just doing like one color on the lid. This one's really good. Now I think I'm just going to take this warm brown called Headshot from the Morphe 9G palette. And I'm just going to concentrate that like just on the outer edge just to give it a little warm. I'm suck at saying that word, but just a little bit. I thought I was gonna do liner, but I think I'm just gonna do some lashes. I have these lashes here by I think LA Splash. I forgot the name of them, but I'll link them down below. if I can find them. They come in the green box from LA Splash. You can find them like at Riley Rose and stuff. I love these lashes. I'm just going to cut them and I'll be back once they're on. Yeah. And while that lash glue dries, I'm just going to put some mascara on on my lashes and curl them. My favorite mascara, Lash Paradise L'Oreal. And then my lashes aren't dried yet, and I also forgot to set my brows, so I'm just going to do that. Just going to be using this e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel. It does the job for being like $1. I do want to do soap brows though, so if you guys want to see that in a video, just let me know because I really want to try them out. I think I cut these a little short. I like them a little bit longer, but they still look really nice. Tightline my eyes with some black liner. I just used this waterproof black one from Sephora. And I'm just going to put some moisturizer on. I'm going to zoom you guys out a little more. Sometimes I feel like I have a lazy eye. Okay. I don't know if I want to go light or full coverage with the foundation. I'm going to go kind of light with it. For foundation, I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution foundation stick. I forgot that I didn't want to put any on my forehead because the beanie's going to go there. For my forehead, I'm only going to conceal the put foundation on in the center, and that's it. I'm not even going to bronze the forehead because my beanie is going to go there and I don't really want to get makeup on it. It looks really light on in the viewfinder, but it's not that much lighter than mine. Actually, it is. Maybe I should darken it up. I'm just going to use one little pump of my Smashbox, like literally like that much of my Smashbox, just to kind of darken it up. Probably gonna need more than that. Actually, with bronzer, I'm sure it'll... Okay, that looks fine. Now for bronzing up the skin, I'm also going to use that Makeup Revolution stick in the color F18. And I'm going to really bronze up the skin just because foundation isn't matching me that well. Usually I do concealer before, but life happens. I'm going to put just a little on my nose because I do want to do faux freckles, which I never do, and I've never done, so Also, that was the Fenty concealer. I do like it. Watch my last video where I review it. Now I just set that with a little bit of powder. Sometimes I forget to say exactly what I'm doing, but this is going to lightly set. Now for faux freckles, I think I'm just gonna use like my same eyebrow color, or maybe I should do, I'm actually gonna use the Kat Von D palette, and I'm gonna use this shade. I'm just going to get it on my eyebrow brush and lightly dot some freckles on. I've never done this, but freckles aren't perfect anyway. I'm using now like my eyebrow color. I feel like it looks a little better. And I'm just dotting. Okay, I kind of like how it came out. Can you see? Little bit of faux freckles there. Now, of course, I'm going to do some highlighter. I have to. And now for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. At first I didn't like this highlighter, but it's grown on me. Beanie time! This is the finished makeup look, by the way. Very easy, effortless. But the contacts really just changed the look up. Like, I'm literally just wearing lashes and a little bit of foundation. That's why I didn't do any foundation on the top. Bam, I'm a new person. Like, I literally look completely different than what I did in the beginning of the video. Let's flash back to that. And now look at me. Like, who is she? I'm gonna zoom out. Zoom you guys in. That's a terrible angle. But I hope you guys liked my transformation video. I'm probably never going to wear a beanie again because I just feel like it doesn't look that good on me. But it was fun trying something new out. I did faux freckles, color contacts, and a beanie. And I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video. Okay, I'm done. Bye.